Good morning. I am 4 minutes earlier today. So, as always, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward about 4 minutes or stay with us through our hellos. Good morning, Joey. Good morning, Sandra. Good morning, James. Good morning, Judy. All right, it is time for us to start. And today we are exploring the demon of our throat chakra, which is lies. The main task of the throat chakra is self expression, and to fully express our individuality is to express our truth. A non individuated person will express what people want to hear. A fearful person will be afraid to speak their truth. A person without a healthy ego will be afraid of what others think and give up their authenticity. Negative experiences teach us to deny and withhold our truth. We are often punished for disagreeing with our parents. We're teased for admitting that we're afraid. We're misunderstood when we try to express ourselves. If our views are not consistent with the majority, we can be ostracized. Sometimes our physical safety depends on restricting the truth. For example, the child who gets hit for opening her mouth quickly learns to keep it shut. Carl Jung writes, "A lie would make no sense unless the truth was felt to be dangerous." A lie would make no sense unless the truth was felt to be dangerous. So, why do we lie? Are we afraid to hurt someone's feelings? Or afraid if we told the truth we would not be liked or admired anymore? Deborah Adele, the author of the book Yamas and Niyamas, shares, "One of the things that amazed me when I first read Gandhi's autobiography was his statement about his life being an experiment with truth. I would have expected him to say an experiment in nonviolence, but he didn't. He said, 'My life is an experiment with truth.' To me, this statement captures the power that living without truth has. So let's do a practice around that today. Take a comfortable position, and as usual, take a few moments to settle in. Scan your body and notice what's going on for you today, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you right now? Allow your breath to be natural. Just observe how it flows through your body, in and out. Don't try to control it. And now bring to mind a recent situation where you may not have been truthful to yourself. Maybe you silenced your opinion. Maybe you said yes when you wanted to say no. Take a moment to reflect. What was driving you to distort yourself this way? Or, as Carl Jung would say, what is so dangerous in the moment about the truth that you are choosing to lie? These are questions that merit our pondering. So I'll leave you with this reflection for a couple of minutes in silence. As always, try to approach this exercise as if you were a scientist in the lab of your own psyche. There is nothing bad or good about what you find out. Everything is just a data point. Collect those data points without judgment or expectation. And later, you can decide what you may want to do with this information. So, what is driving you to distort your truth? What is so dangerous in the moment about the truth that you are choosing to lie? As you go through this reflection, also pay attention to your body, to your breath. What's going on there as you reflect on those questions? What is driving me to distort my truth? What is so dangerous in the moment about the truth that I'm choosing to lie. I want to complete our practice today with a poem from Dana Folds. It's called Mud of the Moment. Truth lives in the mud of this moment. It exists in the messy interplay of emotions and relationships, in the personality traits I'd rather leave behind. To experience truth doesn't take sainthood or dissolving my desires. It requires diving into the muck and mire of what's here, feeling the anxiety of fear, knowing the entirety of me without hiding from the shadows or from light. It requires diving into the muck and mire of what's here, feeling the anxiety or fear, knowing the entirety of me without hiding from the shadows or from light. Choosing to be now, awareness makes the leap to see that I am truth, always was, and always will be. The radiant singularity, the infinite in human form. The lotus never blooms without sinking roots in mud. As you go about your day to day, notice if you're willing to contact truthfulness in every moment. Keep asking yourself what my life might look like if I did that. If I were willing to contact truth in every moment, full on, in life's challenges and life's mundane tasks. And every time you notice that you're lying to yourself or others around you, ask yourself, what makes me distort myself in this way? What is so dangerous in this moment about the truth that I am choosing to lie instead? Enjoy this exploration, whatever you may find. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.